Hi, my name is Rich, and I was digging in the flower bed and I hit our sprinkler hose. Matter of fact, it's got a pretty good little gash in it, and the water was shooting shooting up something terrible. So I went over to Home Depot. By the way, I cut this off, and you can see that little hole. It was not good. It's 1/2 inch in diameter, and by the way, I cut off with these loppers. You know, the same thing you use to cut branches and things like that. And I try to make it small. I should have made it smaller than this, but this worked. But if you can, just cut the bad area out as small as possible. Really, this is too long. And so I went over to Home Depot, and they said, use this. It sort of pushes up, go halfway up, and on the other side of the hose, go halfway up. I thought, well, that is really easy. Don't buy one of these for that. Let me show you what happens. Okay, wasn't that interesting? So I went back to Home Depot, spoke to another guy. He said, use this. Now if you use this, if you put your finger in here, you can feel a sharp edge. It grabs hold, I guess, and it won't, you know, it's sort of like Japanese handcuffs, if you ever had those as a kid. Halfway up, and I don't think you can see it. Let me see. Oh yeah, there you go. It's a little notch. And the little notch keeps the hose from going all the way through. It goes sort of halfway up. You can see that little indentation there that sticks out. And that way, you know, halfway up it's going to stop. The other one's going to go halfway up, and that's all you have to do. You just have to push it on. So let's go see how it does. I'm going to put the part number on the description. Thanks so much for watching.